Hello my dears. I think you all are well when you are watching this video and you all happy. Today I am going to tell you a real story of a famous personality, a untold story, a story of a person of determination, of a person of courage, of a person of hard working. Today I am going to tell you the story that definitely motivate you to do anything in this world. If this story teaches you to take their goals priority. First, I am not going to reveal the name of this main character, means the name of the personality whose story is this. Initially, in last I will tell you the name. So this story started from the early 19th century. A small orphan boy who was a small who have no one other than God was working in a shoe shop. He is he is focused on his work and he never desire of anything. But as a boy, he have a small desire. When one day when the owner of shoe shop was not there, the boy a desire comes in this the mind of the boy, and boy think what the owner feel on sitting the chair. At the time the owner have the wheelchair, in the chair in whose wheel is attached with them, that chair. The boy, they desires come in the mind of boy to sit in the chair and feel how the owner feels. The boy seated on the chair of the owner and take out the newspaper, and he started reading the newspaper and he totally focused. He just forget around his surrounding, what is going to happen in his surrounding. Suddenly the owner came. When the owner saw the poor boy, the dirty boy seated on my chair, he angrily kicked out the chair and the boy fell down on the ground. Then the owner said the boy, "You are the president of somewhere. Who seated on my chair? Who give you permission to sit on my chair?" The owner's this word hurt the boy Geo. Hurt the boys. At the response, the boy promised the owner. He told the owner that I don't know what the character president was is. At the time I think he don't have as much as knowledge. He don't know about president, what is president, which post is president, what is the power of president. He just promised the owner that I don't know who is president, who can become president. But if you telling about president, it's mean president is a big powerful man. He just told with relaxed face that if I can, there is 1% chance, or 0.1% chance to become president, I will become president. And with his determination, courage, and strong desire to achieve the goal, the boy became the 16th president of the USA. Yes, I am just telling about the most famous personality, the most famous president of USA, Abraham Lincoln. This is his courage that make him to achieve his goal. From down to the president post, he fighted everything. He fighted with himself and achieved that he won. So that is the model. In last, if you want to achieve anything, you can achieve if you have the strong desire to achieve, and if you are determined to your goal, to pursue your goal. The president is just a small post. If you want to become, you can become the God. I am telling about God. You can become God. So just focused on your goal, thus pursue your goal, and just committed yourself. You will become. Then you will become. Thank you, my dears.